Okay, kids, what we're going to do today is we're going to unmold a piece. What I have here is part of the suspension of my car, and right in this hole we need a piece of polyurethane. Well, here's a piece of polyurethane. This was a horrible failure. The bulgy, oversized knot, failure, failure. Well, we don't talk about failure that much. We'll that's over there now. Okay, so what we have here is a mold that I 3D printed and did a little machine work on with yonder lathe. So let's commence. Get rid of that guy. That's the proper place for it. And we'll release that clamp, which has urethane on it. The mold leaked a little bit. That's why I've been injecting with syringes, and I have a syringe up on top to act as a reservoir in case I get leakage. Some can run down into the mold. And this just presses in, so let's yank it out. Oh, well, that worked. We'll take handy dandy knife and clip that off. And well, that one popped out and broke, which is fine. And we'll put that down there. And we'll kind of peel some of this stuff off maybe. I didn't get mold release on the outside, so that might come off a little bit. Or not. Or not. Here we is. Get some of that off. I did find that petroleum jelly doesn't affect the cure of the urethane, so I use that to kind of patch some of these cracks here. And there's a little slippery urethane on, or petroleum jelly on there. So ain't going to be any YouTube magic here where this just magically pops off. Or there might be. Wow, that was easy. Let's see if this end comes off as easy. So far we're batting 1,000. Now we need a tool, I think, because the thumbnail won't do it. What have we for tools? I should have tools handy when I'm about to do something like this. Tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to reach around here and hit pause. And we're back to the races. A tool. And I'm just going to push that down in there. Twist. Oh my gosh, this came out nice. Oh boy. I think we got something here. Okay. Get these out of the way. So we got 2 halves for the body, a cap for the top and a cap for the bottom, each with a hole that fits the syringe nicely. And this is going to be, oh my gosh, that came out easy. Well, this looks like suspension bushing. Got to get some of the hair off from it, but mold flash is par for the course. Boy, that worked nice. The first time The first time, not so nice. I did a bad thing. I wanted to help the cure a little bit. I couldn't wait the 16 hours, and this is the quality of part I got when it's supposed to look like this. This is what I'm looking for. Well, now let's see if I can get it into my suspension part. So I'm going to just kind of crush it down. There is a little, oh, that's going to go in easy. Oh, look at that. Okay, there it is. And this is the core. This is where the bolt goes through that holds this arm on the car. Let me see, the wheel bolts on out here, and this goes up and down, and there's a pivot joint here, and the steel is okay. You can push it in. It did squeeze out of the bore a little bit, but if you massage it a little, oh, I think this is what you call a part, kids. There is a suspension bushing for an automobile. And this gets squeezed in an area like so. So it doesn't matter really that this sticks out a little bit. It'll work its way back in. Trust me, that dimension fits. I'm the guy that drew it. And there you are. Well, success. Thanks for watching.